Wondering which foods are best for diabetes? We're diving deep into the truth about what you can and can't eat daily with high blood sugar. In this video, we discover the best recipes from different types of food to eat you can enjoy every single day with high sugar to help manage your diabetes. We'll explore key food groups, highlighting nutrient-rich vegetables, lean proteins, healthy fats, and fiber-packed fruits and whole grains. Discover practical tips for building balanced meals and snacks that keep you feeling satisfied and energized. Learn about portion control and making smart choices to support healthy blood glucose levels. From colorful salads to satisfying main courses, we'll show you that eating well with diabetes is both achievable and enjoyable. Take control of your diet and embrace a flavorful path to better health. Let's dive into the 15 best diabetic food recipes for high blood sugar. 1. Overnight oats. Prepare overnight oats for a quick breakfast option. Combine rolled oats with almond milk, chia seeds, and your choice of fruits. Let it sit overnight, and you'll have a nutritious meal ready to go in the morning. 2. Greek yogurt parfait. For a quick snack or breakfast, whip up a Greek yogurt parfait. Layer plain Greek yogurt with fresh berries and a sprinkle of nuts or seeds. This combination offers protein, healthy fats, and antioxidants, making it a perfect choice for managing blood sugar levels. 3. Chia seed pudding. For a sweet treat, consider chia seed pudding. Mix chia seeds with almond milk and a touch of vanilla extract, then let it sit overnight. In the morning, top it with nuts or berries for a satisfying breakfast or snack that's high in fiber and omega-3s. 4. Egg and avocado toast. For breakfast or light lunch, try egg and avocado toast. Use whole grain bread, top it with smashed avocado, and add a poached egg. It's creamy, filling, and full of healthy fats. 5. Fruit and nut energy bites. For a healthy snack, make fruit and nut energy bites. Blend dates, nuts, and a bit of cocoa powder, then roll them into bite-sized balls. They're perfect for a quick energy boost. 6. Quinoa salad. Cooked quinoa mixed with cherry tomatoes, cucumbers, bell peppers, and a squeeze of lemon juice makes for a light and filling meal. It's packed with fiber and protein, making it an excellent choice for blood sugar control. 7. Lentil soup. Lentils are great for blood sugar control, and you can load it up with veggies like carrots, celery, and spinach for added nutrition. 8. Turkey and spinach wrap. For a quick lunch, make a turkey and spinach wrap using a whole grain tortilla. Add some hummus, sliced turkey, fresh spinach, and your favorite veggies. Roll it up for a portable meal that's both nutritious and delicious. 9. Zucchini noodles. Zucchini noodles topped with a homemade marinara sauce are a fantastic low-carb option. Add some lean ground turkey for extra protein. 10. Baked salmon with asparagus. Baked salmon is not only delicious but also rich in omega-3 fatty acids. Pair it with roasted asparagus for a meal that's heart-healthy and satisfying. 11. Chickpea stir-fry. For a plant-based option, try a chickpea stir-fry. Sauté chickpeas with bell peppers, spinach, and a splash of soy sauce. It's quick, easy, and full of flavor. 12. Chickpea curry. Cook chickpeas with coconut milk, diced tomatoes, and a blend of spices like cumin and turmeric. Serve it over brown rice or quinoa for a filling meal. 13. Stuffed bell peppers. Stuffed bell peppers are a fun and colorful meal. Fill them with a mixture of brown rice, black beans, corn, and spices. Bake until tender for a tasty dish that's also visually appealing. 14. Cauliflower fried rice. This dish is not only a great way to sneak in more vegetables but also allows you to enjoy the flavors of traditional fried rice without the added carbs. Pulse cauliflower florets in a food processor until they resemble rice, then stir fry with peas, carrots, and scrambled eggs. 15. Baked sweet potato. Bake a sweet potato until tender, then top it with black beans, salsa, and a sprinkle of cheese. This dish is not only delicious but also provides a great source of fiber and vitamins.